Okay, this is Function Machine. This is a new piece of software. I've already noticed that where it says new number, that should be changed to new function. So that'll be changed. I still have to double check it and triple check it, but everything's at the moment's working fine. Okay, basically it's a function machine. You put the number in, and the function machine will do some kind of operation, and it'll produce a number at the other end. On the right hand side we have this keypad, the numbers 1 to 9, that is going to be the in number that we select, and we've got two groups of controls here, the first rule and the second rule. If you notice in red we've got a plus and a minus here. That means that this has the function has two rules, it's a plus and a minus. If we select any one of these first rule numbers, it will clear the second rule automatically. So if we select multiplication, that it's now only got one rule in the function, and the second rule we can have plus, and then it will generate one of them. Okay, so if we just choose plus, we'll do a couple of examples. Remember, that's cleared the second function. There's a clear button here, just in case you want to clear it, and that will just clear the second function for you. I put that in first, and then I decided to leave it in. Okay, so if we've got a function here behind this number, behind this machine, and if we put in a number, any of these numbers, I'll choose 6. So it goes in 6 and it produces 11, and the function is add on something, so we're going to add on 5, and we can show the rule is add on 5. After you show the rule, you can go through other examples on this board. So we can choose 1 plus 5 is 6, so the teacher can say use this as a starter for at low level. So we've got 6. What is 6 plus 5? 6 plus 5, click it, is 11. 7 plus 5 is 12. And 9 plus 5 is 14. And we can do the same thing for multiplication. And if we show the rule, it's times 8. So, and we haven't put an insert number yet. So if 2 was 2 times 8 is 16, was 7 times 8 is 56, and 1 times 8 is 8. And we can do the same thing for subtraction and division. We can choose random for the first function and the second function, and you notice the first function will change. If we select another, the first one is changing, and random, it will change every time we select something else. So we've got because it's on random. So we've got minus something times something. That's a rule. So I'm going to choose 5 to begin with. So we're going to minus something, and then it's going to times something. Logically, I would say it's minus 2. Oh yeah, minus 2 times 1. But now, to work through the process through the class, we have to logically deduce whether it's right or not. I said minus 2 plus times 1. So is minus 2 times 1? Yeah, it's looking right. And try 1. Minus 2 times 1. So now you can show the rule, minus 2 times 1. And that's pretty much it. Press new number and it'll generate a new function, and it'll keep the settings up here. So you've got random and random. If you had plus and plus, or plus and minus, or plus and times, new number, it would keep these settings that you had every time you change the function. So if you only had one function and you're doing subtraction, and we do 4, so that's going to be subtract 10, and every time you get a new function, it's just going to keep with that subtraction. It's going to keep your choice. It's always going to be subtraction until you change it. And that's it. That's Function Machine. Okay, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy it.